Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to hide my likes and comments in Shopee. So today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your likes and comments on Shopee. So when other people stalk you and check on you, and they will see your name on the comment section, or maybe you like another account or maybe store. So if you don't want those things to happen to you, you're in luck. Right here, I'm going to show you how to hide likes and comments in Shopee. The first thing you need to do is open up your Shopee. Once you're here, click on the bottom right at me, and once you're here, click on the top right at settings. After clicking settings, you will see in the privacy settings, click on the privacy settings. After clicking on the privacy settings, right below invisible to contacts, you will see a Shopee video settings. Click on that. And once you're here, you're now allowed to hide my like activity from my friends, and click on that so they won't see your like, and then hide my comment activity from my friends, and then click on that. Now all your comments will be hidden from your friends and other people. So I hope you guys learned something in this video, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.